the closest word that comes as a literal translation for this sound is hiccup. Hiccup. These words that are literal translations of the sound into word are called onomatopoeias. You can see the spelling on the screen. They are called onomatopoeias. Look at another example. Dogs, wolves, another from the dog family, they make a sound at night. They go something like ow, ow, and the word that comes from that is howl. Howling is the sound that make it's a word. Consider more examples. We eat an apple. The sound we make is crunch. Crunch. That is a word that has come from this. Another example. हम गाना गुनगुनाते हैं. What is the sound we make? Hum, and the word is